Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the two items you want to view together. Make sure both are responsive. On Windows, position one app and press Windows key plus left or right arrow to snap it. This locks its half. On a Mac, hover over the green window button and choose toggle window to left or right of screen. Once done, select the second window to fill the opposite side. This immediate action avoids extra setup and gets you into split screen fast. Now refine how the two windows share space. Click and drag the dividing bar to change widths. This is helpful when one app needs more room. If you need to switch one pane, use Alt plus Tab on Windows or Mission Control on Mac, then drag the replacement into the split. For more than two apps, create an extra virtual desktop or open additional windows, then repeat snapping. Make sure to keep essential controls visible so both apps remain usable without constant resizing. To finish, restore a window by pressing Windows key plus up to maximize, or click the green button on a Mac to exit tile mode. If snapping does not work, make sure Snap Assist is enabled in Windows settings, or that Mac OS Mission Control options allow spaces for apps. Adjust those preferences and try again. If a pane freezes, close and reopen that app, and as a last resort, restart the computer. This clears hung processes and returns snapping to normal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.